What is up, guys? Done at this site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer or how to sync Google Contacts and Gmail to Outlook contacts. So first, head over to your Google, and then on the right side, you will see the Google Apps. Scroll down, and you need to find the Contacts application. Click on this, and after clicking on the contacts information here, you will see the option of other contacts here on the left side. Click on this. And after clicking on this on the right side, you will see the option of export. Click on this export option and then click on CSV for Outlook only. And after that, click on export again. And as you can see, all the contacts have been exported. Now you just need to open your Outlook mail. So I'm just opening my Outlook mail in my new tab. And after that, when I have opened my Outlook mail, I'll just click on settings here on the right side, and then I'll click on files. From files, I'll click on import and then start import. And then I just simply choose the folder that I have uploaded from, or which was in the desktops. As you can see, this was the file that, or this was the folder which I have stored my contacts in. I'll click on upload, and then I'll click on upload again, and then this will upload all the contacts in my Outlook mail. So this is how you can sync your Google contacts and email to your Outlook mail. That was all for the video, everyone. Thank you for watching.